Oh great, that's the worst.
Who's the medic?
There might be a couple in the watch by the side now.
Alright, I got it. Medic over here! Medic! Medic!
You're gonna get killed up there. We should have fallback positions.
Hold up, don't you?
Yeah, thank you.
Okay. You wanna hold this here and take a break?
Yeah, I can shoot through a little port or something if you want to do that.
Oh, God! Hey, you go! One side!
Hey, let me get in this. Hey.
Hey!
Just close up.
America! Hey, right here, guys! Wood line! Guys, right here! Come on, we need 30 guys! Wood line! Stand the wood line! You have rockets? Where's the rocket? Go.
Got a saw, where do you want me?
Up in the window. Light up that tent. You're good. Still there.
How are you doing?
Good. You not a medic?
No.
You need a medic? I'm a medic.
Yeah, I know.
I'm good.
This guy. He's sitting behind that red barrel. Oh, no.
He's out.
Down? Yeah. Hey, we got a sniper off in these trees to the left.
Yeah.
Been put shots. And a feeling more guys out.
Watch out.
Where's that rock launch, guys? Move.
Where is it? Poke your head out.
He's waiting for you.
Hey, they're on our side now.
Wait, that tank is?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah. They pulled off the string.
Why the hell we got something? Get the gear, let's do it. Go! Go, get the gear! Rehab! Yeah. You make out front! That's up! Someone give me a shot back here. Just go be at the front! You? No. We're Sam's armband. Come get the win, a schnitzel! That's a rough. That's a rough. That's a rough. Oh, I feel really bad. You see our guys going that way.
those two definitely aren't.
Those are all our guys.
That's ours over there. I'm just gonna go and defend at the.
We'll find out.